Absolutely not enough people are talking about this study by Metricool. This study looked at 1.9 million videos across 48,500 accounts. One of the things they looked at was video length. What is the average length of a video based on account size, and what length of video gets the most views? So as you can see here, the average length of a video tends to increase as the account size increases. Now for the videos that get the most views. So on average, these huge videos are about 42 seconds long, and they define this huge category as videos with over 25,000 views. Then we have engagement rate based on video length. This is probably the most insightful graph out of all of them. As you can see here, the videos that are 54 seconds or longer have the highest engagement rate at 8.2. And the final graph pertaining to this looks at the average number of views based on video length. The duration with the most views on average is 54 plus seconds, but all three of these are pretty close in average view count. So what I take away from all of this is that the sweet spot for video length is probably around 40 seconds or longer. We've all heard that TikTok has been pushing longer videos, and I really think that this study supports that. I will say I am very interested in what the stats are for even longer videos because TikTok is now supporting up to 10 minutes. Follow for more breakdowns of this TikTok study.